What's up, Super?
IDK.
Wide lurk, I need sustenance.
Wide lurk.
Is this
Dude, I
fucking
could
prison
use some
food?
sustenance.
I
It's
will
not
try if the
prison
thing
food,
works.
dude. No, Flippy, it's not prison food, dude.
Yo, nah.
Yo,
Oh, that looks nice.
I think I might be able to change that
Nightbot can't trigger Nightbot.
from the Nightbot.
Is
No,
the
I think there's a way to add. I think there's a way to add like, so like multiple different things will trigger the same command. Grubs? Yeah, it's no, dude, it's like it's the raspberry seeds. It looks like worms though.
Looks like some slimy shit.
I need to find like a bowl to put the like string.
I swear it used to be menu, no.
Maybe maggots don't know yet.
Mine?
This is
No, mine was always exclamation recipe. Maybe I can strain it into one of these ramekins. Let's get the brownie batter out of this.
It was never menu.
Yeah, it was always recipe. But I guess all
What are you
the
doing?
other cooking streamers use exclamation menu. So I might as
Be
well.
someone else then.
Yo, this is like a fucking.
True, I think this is prison food as well.
It's like a bed for the scrub daddy, dude. Perfect
It
size.
really
for
is a
it.
bed. It's a chocolate bed because of all the crusties.
That scrub daddy fits perfectly.
The scrub
Yeah,
daddy is
dude.
like, bro, leave me alone.
LULW. Perfect fit.
I have definitely been watching all the dishes. It's been fun.
Recipe, all of those I've seen used. Give him the little tinfoil blankie from before.
I will be back, gonna go eat Chinese food I made.
Perfect fit, yeah.
Yo, he's loving it, dude.
I
Oh,
use
so
menu
dirty.
or recipe. You can add keywords to trigger the same menu. If someone asks what are you making in a big kettle, boy, give me some. Thankfully,
Yeah, I worked it
didn't
out.
take Sichuan spice. Shit made my head numb.
Yo, I saw that shit big kettle. The picture you posted.
Why, true.
Okay, this
Have
is
you ever
perfect.
tried feeding one scrub daddy with another scrub daddy?
Why you torture the scrub daddy?
Cleaning one scrub daddy with another.
The local school for science club.
Dude, that's actually 5 heads.
Fire Girl Collins always.
I don't know if I'm getting the rest of this out.
I am actually starving.
Dude, so am I.
I think your GoPro froze again.
Oh, it'll fix itself. This time. It better fix itself this time.
I thought you meal prepped.
Yeah,
oh,
there we
wait,
go.
that was earlier this week. At Fire Girl
Meal
Collins.
prepped. E? Alright, I'm gonna strain it into this ramekin with the fucking dry aged brownie on it. And hopefully that won't leach into it.
With amor abrasis scrub daddy.
Yo, I see someone is getting wet tonight.
Yo, olives, dude. What's up, olives?
A big kettle, boy, I did. It's frozen. And I am upstairs. Hey,
Dude, can somebody hold the
I
strainer?
become a homie.
Food is downstairs.
You say, can you become a homie?
Bruh.
Can you become a homie? How do you become a homie?
You got to